Formula One race is the most commercially valuable race in the world, and it also represents the peak level of the automotive industry. As major auto companies, clubs, and official sponsors, they are very concerned about the reputation benefits and the business income brought by such competitions. Therefore, before the race, they will evaluate the team status, vehicle performance, driver status, and business ability of the maintenance station in order to get the best result in the formal race. Our group has written such a program to simulate a set of racing conditions for the participating teams.
This is the TXT, which illustrates the main data of a racing team. This data is called a data pool, which will be reading the main. There are totally 9 items: driver weight, driver experience, driver react time, car weight, car torque, car brake distance, car horsepower, station tire time, and station fuel time. These data will be read in main and used in the classes in the next level. As we can see this diagram, this is the class relationship diagram.
This class section describes a level of car. This class is parallel with driver class and station class. Similar to the other classes, car class is used to read the file from TXT called data pool. In the car class, taking values from the file, including vehicle weight, vehicle horsepower, vehicle torque, then calculate this data through a function to obtain these 3 data called acceleration, brake distance, and top speed. Notice here, car is a little complicated than the other 2 classes. It includes 2 steps of calculation. So, the function about acceleration, brake distance, and top speed are put in the other class called car level. In this class, it is not only used to calculate acceleration, brake distance, and top speed, but also a new function to combine these 3 coefficients to get the result of car level. Finally, the result of car level is returned to the team class for a final calculation. The detail of team class will be illustrated later.
This is a class named driver. In this class, it will collect basic information and performance of the drivers and assess them with different levels. There are 3 members in this class, including driver weight, driver react time, and driver experience. Both of them are double data type. In the public of member function, there are setter and getter to collect the data and return them into main function. CPP files will include all those variables. We are collecting the data from a TXT file. Finally, we build up a function that combines those 2 data to provide a level for all drivers. This class is parallel with car class and station class. Driver class read the data from the data pool. Then this data will be calculated with the functions here. Get driver weight over 10 times get driver experience over 10 times 1 over get driver react time.
Class station explains the situation of tire changing time and refueling time, based on these 2 variables to generate the overall rating of station. This class includes these 2 variables as member variable, also standard getter and setter, destructor, default and overloaded constructor. In addition, it contains a function which accesses 2 member variables as the parameter via getter and output the level of station. This class is in parallel with class car and class driver, which are base class to derive the class team. All of the public functions of these 3 base classes could be accessed from class team. The level of each base class will be used in the function of class team as input to obtain team level. Then every level which are car, driver, station, and team will be displayed in main CPP. All of the level function will be found on this page.
Here is the last class, class team. It is a very important class with simple logic. It can be described as the hub of the whole code. This class is used to put all the results from the upper classes, car level, driver level and the station level together in order to get the final result. It's called team level. Team is the function that you need to add all the data from every single upper classes. So all the items has been used before from the upper classes, such as driver experience, car weight, station tow time, car torque. Those 9 items also needed to be overloaded in this class. With simple calculation in the class, the combos with different car, different driver, and different stations will become the result as the output. The combos will be provided to the user, but the selection made by users, the best combo of the racing team should be look like, will be showed.
So then let's run the code. Well, this program, it works very well, and that's all. Thank you for watching.